If you love AI-generated videos but hate closed, pricey tools, I've got something game-changing to share today. I've been testing tons of open models lately, and one called Vizard really blew my mind with how effective and easy it is. You probably know big names like Runway or Alibaba's Wan 2.2, which can generate cool cinematic shots and camera moves. But if you've tried these for long videos or consistent posting, you know they can be slow and frustrating to work with. That's where Vizard truly shines. It automatically pulls the most viral-worthy clips from your long videos. No manual hunting. I'm not talking flashy random cuts, but real highlights and punchlines that actually make people stop scrolling. And it's not just an auto editor, it's smarter, a scheduling tool that posts clips for you exactly when you want. Want daily posts or a few a week? Vizard handles uploading and syncing across platforms effortlessly. Where other AI models focus just on generating visuals, Vizard works like a content strategist that knows what really works. For example, I uploaded a 1-hour podcast and Vizard turned it into 6 short clips that blew up on TikTok overnight. Doing this manually is a pain, but Vizard finds the perfect moments and posts them for you without extra effort. If you're familiar with setting up complex AI models and workflows, you know how frustrating installation and rendering can get. Plus, many models struggle with consistent visuals and prompt accuracy, but Vizard keeps faces and scenes steady across clips. For those doing image-to-video or artistic styles, trimming into vertical, engaging content is still tricky, until now. Upload your video once, and Vizard's AI logic parses it to produce ready-to-post TikToks, Reels, and Shorts in a snap. Worried about censorship or restrictions? Vizard clips highlights regardless of tone, academic, comedic, or mature, and lets you add your own branding. The best part? No complicated installs, big downloads, or fancy GPUs needed. Just upload and let it work smoothly online. If you've tried other models and wondered why your content doesn't break through, this is your sign to try Vizard. Don't just generate pretty clips, turn them into content that gets watched, shared, and grows your audience without extra work. Try Vizard today, the best-kept secret for creators who want to work smarter, not harder. If you've already used it, drop a comment and let me know what clips you've made. See you in the next video.